all about the toppings. Ketchup, pickles, sauerkraut, and last but not least, mustard. And that is the perfect hot dog. Seriously, you're missing out.
I'll have a soy and lentil not dog, please.
Dude, this is the best hot dog cart in the city, and you're getting a not dog? Last time I bring you here.
This just in. An asteroid the size of Metropolis is headed for Metropolis. Who wrote this copy? Anyways, a really big asteroid is headed our way. All citizens are urged to take shelter immediately.
Looks like we've got a job to do. Let's go, Hal.
But, my hot dog. Save this for me, and guard it with your...
Hal! Brightest day in blackest night.
No evil shall escape my sight.
Those who worship evil's might.
Beware our power.
Green Lantern!
All right, let's make this quick. Start.
Okay, game plan. I'll redirect the meteor and you...
Right.
Leave you!
What? Big asteroid's gone. Problem solved. Let's go eat. Ooh, that reminds me. They've got the best duck dog with hoisin sauce and green onions.
Look! You meat-addled mutton head!
Oh, their mutton dog is the best.
One big rock and made it hundreds. Now what do we do?
We smash more space rocks, then we eat. Out of my way, space rocks! No interplanetary disaster is gonna savage me and my pickles, ketchup, and sauerkraut. Oh, I love sauerkraut.
Enough with the condiments, doofus! Your strategy is the worst!
Bratwurst! Corn dogs! Pigs in a blanket!
Oh, look what you did, you meathead!
Let's do this! Time to bring out the big guns! I mean big dogs! Cheese dog! Polish boy, that disgusting soy thing Jess said? Wait, that's it! One spongy jumbo tofu dog coming right up! Well, that does it.
Nice work cleaning up your mess, Hal. Usually you're not very good at containing disasters you created yourself.
All in a day's work, Jess. All in a day's work.
You missed one!
The hot dog cart! No!
Sorry, Hal, but you know, that salad bar is still open.
No!